Hi, good morning 3A. I know that I look a little different. I just finished working out this morning and it got me thinking that some of you might also need to start moving around a little bit today because I know that being at home can get kind of boring and we can get kind of stuck just laying around and sitting at desks and being on the couch. So today, along with your reading assignment, I wanted to remind you of Go Noodle. This is a free website that you can use. You can sign up, or I think you can just use the videos for free, and there's lots of different activities that you can use to get yourself moving today. There's different channels where you can move, you can stretch, and do lots of things to get yourself up and moving a bit today. So I would encourage you during your day, maybe every hour or so, to stop and to move around a little bit and take a brain break. Along with your work today, I've also included a read aloud of our class book Wish, so you can follow along. I will try to post a chapter each day. There is also your typing club. I would try to do that maybe once a week, not every day, for maybe 20 minutes at the most, because I do want you to be mindful of how much time you are spending on the screen. You also have access to Prodigy. Again, for Prodigy, I would maybe work 20-30 minutes at the most on that work. If you forgot your password, you can email me. I also wanted to talk about your nonfiction reading for today. So when you go to the assignment on Seesaw, you will see that you have a nonfiction choice board. The goal for you this week is to try to work through all of those questions on the board. So today you might choose maybe one or two questions that you want to answer. You can highlight or circle the question that you choose for today. And I want you to make sure that you add pages on Seesaw to show me the evidence of your reading today. So if you chose to talk about the main idea and 3 supporting details, then you need to add a page where you can show me either where you've written on a separate piece of paper the main idea. You can also write it directly on Seesaw. If you're using a book on Epic, you can screenshot it and add your own text to it telling me about the main idea. But I want to see your evidence. So if you've gone and you've done the assignment and you've only circled what your answer is, I'm going to be sending it back to you today and asking you to show me your evidence of your response for your reading today. So today I would choose maybe 1 or 2, maybe even 3 questions that you can respond to for your reading, and you will continue to work through this board for the rest of this week. So don't do everything today. You might do 3 today, 2 the next day, and the goal is for you to work through responding to all of the questions on that board. If you have any questions about the assignment, message me and email me. Also, if you have not done your feelings check-in, please make sure that you complete that and submit it to me. I want to see how you are doing, and I would love to message you. Again, if you have questions, email me, and I am here for you during the day, and let me know how I can help you. I'm going to go get some coffee. I'll see you later.